And we are continuing our coverage of the Oscars. LA firefighters were honored at tonight's ceremony. Crews that battled the Eden and Palisades fire receiving a standing ovation on the biggest stage in Hollywood.
Nice to see them there. NBC4's Robert Kovacik is live in Hollywood. He has more on that special honor. Robert.
Kathy and Jonathan, it really was quite a night, and it was really a very interesting evening all the way around as award season comes to an end. We started with fires. We had some heavy rains. Tonight we've got wind, we've got cold, and just about an hour and a half ago, as you know, we had an earthquake, and right in the middle of an interview with the man who was on stage tonight, seen by billions of people, LAFD Captain Erik Scott. This is what happened while we were talking to him.
At me before I came here, and he's like, he really set you guys up so well prior to coming out on stage, and that certainly was true.
What did he have to say to you? That was no
I might need water. That felt like one. It was rather jolty. Bad, but I'll be longer if I don't.
It couldn't have been, right? It had to have been a car. I'm assuming it was a car. Is there a car?
It was pretty short.
Rather jolty indeed it was, you two, and then Erik was off to the governor's ball, but not before he talked about basically the entire experience. That this was an award season that we have mentioned over and over again that many believed should have been just scrapped given what happened and the devastating wildfires in the Palisades and in Altadena. But the show went on this season, and it concluded tonight with the Oscars. And when it was over, Captain Erik Scott came in front of our cameras to say, you know what, it actually really meant the world to first responders.